Let's talk about Plantronics Audio 478 PC Folding USB Stereo Headset. Foldable design means you can enjoy great audio wherever you are. Skype Certified for a better chatting experience. Answer and end Skype calls right from the headset via Plantronics software. Digital signal processing provides wideband audio and acoustic echo cancellation. Noise cancelling microphone reduces background noise, not your voice, for clearer conversations. The starting point and main criteria with these headphones has to be the quality of the sound. I have bought these for speech on teleconferences using my laptop, but definitely consider them good enough to listen to music at higher than CD quality. They really have good reproduction and you can pick out the different instruments with remarkable clarity for a budget pair of phones like this. Other points: quick and easy to get working, virtually plug and play, wait for Windows to find and load the driver. Lightweight, very comfortable. They fold to a small size and the earpieces rotate to fold flat and fit in the storage bag supplied. The earpieces have a metal surface and look good quality, shiny things. The top switch integrates with Skype so you can accept a call without reaching out for the keyboard of your computer. I nearly went for the Sennheiser at similar price point, but I am well pleased with these and would recommend them. A real improvement for voice recognition. Dragon naturally speaking works well with this model. Solid construction, although of light plastic construction material. I have used several of Plantronics products over my time and they are long lasting and reliable. The set fits well on the head and the mic boom swings both ways, allowing it to be on either ear. There is a small bag within the package to store the collapsible headset, but of cheap quality expected at this price range, but of not any real value to me to consider as a negative point. The headset was purchased for tackling the noise levels outside by office window being picked up by the webcam mic during Skype calls. To be honest, I was not expecting much from a product on this price range, but I was proven wrong. My usual Skype callmates made a comment on the good quality sound, absence of echo and almost extinct noise the first time I used it. Once more, well done, Plan.